What if we tell you the ways of earning money through investment with better ways of transaction, ownership, and whatnot? Yes, we were absolutely denoting NFTs. Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. You must be aware of multiple ways of gaining profits, but the real profit maker of the future decade is seemingly interesting, that is NFTs. In today's video, we have all sorts of details about NFTs which will definitely explode in 2022, and you might be the next Warren Buffett. Let's get to know about it. You must be aware of NFTs and the wide amount of profits and returns earned by people all across the globe. It is somehow revolutionary. About $26.9 billion of NFTs were traded in 2022, which is, for a fact, immense. Comparatively, in 2020, the total sales of NFTs reached about $340 million. Hence, you could vividly see the vast growth and increase in demand for NFTs. Seemingly, an increase in adoption of NFT games took place, which included stepping of famous personalities, investors, entrepreneurs, popular athletes, namely Stephen Curry, to whatnot. As per our perspective and beliefs, 2022 is going to be a fantastic year for NFTs, as a lot of brand new NFTs seem to emerge and explode in 2022. The first NFT collection we're going to talk about is Fellaz. Fellaz is a fast-rated game that includes a battle against opponents with the help of a gang of mooks. They have a great NFT collection and sit at an Ethereum floor price of about 0.939. These include an interesting range of zombie avatars and absolutely fine aesthetics, and all in all a super fun way. These avatars are perfectly made to fit into the avatar profile. Most importantly, and also the best part about Fellaz, is about the great development and management team. They always seem to provide the best to their community and to their token holders, which is why the demand for it has increased. Another fact is that Fellaz end up partnering with an NFT marketplace, so possibly they'll be one of the accessible collections on the marketplace once it launches. And many people are desperately waiting for the coin-based NFT marketplace, so accordingly, the current collections will face some friction. Well, this collection of undead NFTs coined in the Ethereum blockchain will seemingly increase. We can speculate its hype and demand in 2022, and it can be one of those NFTs that might explode in 2022. Moving on in the video, we have CyberKongz VX. It is the first ever randomly generated NFT coin collection. It consists of 3 different types of NFT collections, which are CyberKongz Genesis Collection, CyberKongz Baby Collection, and lastly, CyberKongz Box Allies version. All 3 can be possibly played, and it has occurred due to the partnering of CyberKongz with the Sandbox. CyberKongz VX holders can earn through this collaboration with the help of Sandbox's play-to-earn mechanism. This is all because of the NFT's interoperability feature. Sandbox is known to own a number of NFTs of CyberKongz VX, along with 350 plus collections of their own. The Genesis collection once hit a price of above 100 Ethereum at one point. This is leading to some insane sales. Also, you'll be able to equip multiple items released in the Sandbox. CyberKongz VX, a mint of 10,000 coins, was sold out in only 30 minutes, which resulted in the burning of 1,430 Ethereum. So this collaboration will end up exploding in 2022. Mechaaverse. You must be thinking, why are we talking about this project? Even though they had some issues with launch and execution, they have some very fine already launched NFT collections at an absolutely good NFT project. This is everything any newcomer is going to look at. Around 8,888 NFTs are released in this project. The artwork inside this collection is based on an anime series, and it is absolutely high quality compared to any other collection of NFTs. The team is rewarding their holders, which is pretty amazing. They're gradually developing, which includes the fact that Mekaverse has partnered with the coin-based NFT marketplace. This will attract holders and new people who will look at it as a high-quality NFT collection. Eventually, we can conclude the fact that when people will look at a Mekaverse's NFT collection in 2022, they will probably get awestruck. Next, we have Doodles. Released in 2021, Doodles has a collection of NFTs made with a wide variety of faces, hair, body, backgrounds, and whatnot. There are around 10,000 Doodles, each of which is an NFT token on the Ethereum blockchain. Doodles have a huge hype among NFT collectors and people using the NFT space. The avatars of this community-driven project are often used as digital icons on Twitter and many other spaces inside the NFT community. This is possibly a sign that the brand is growing. They even have a Discord group, and the NFT holders are extremely keen and positive about this NFT project. Most importantly, the developer team of this project is highly experienced, as they have all sorts of knowledge regarding different social sites. So we can speculate that Doodles will grow in the long term and have a positive conviction. Also, a lot of new people entering the NFT arena in 2022 will like this project. For the next NFT collection, we have World of Women. This NFT has already been released, which is a women-related NFT project including a variety of high-quality and aesthetic art. Most of the NFT holders are men as compared to women, hence the NFT market is male-centric. This project is definitely serving the way of attracting more and more women into the NFT arena in 2022 or afterward. Overall, this initiative is quite remarkable. This would not be wrong to include that projects like these which aim at building something new. Eventually, these will gain a lot of uplifts. While this project will help a lot of women who desire to enter the NFT arena but are not doing so due to their own set of reasons. Many women influencers are promoting this project, and in the future, the outcome is likely positive. The artwork on the official page is pretty amazing and cozy. This project aims at providing equal opportunity to all genders. In all, this project will serve as a great opportunity for women across the globe, and we can speculate a great base of women holders in the starting of 2022. Moving on, we have a project which will release in 2022, Invisible Friends. This collection will launch at the start of the year, possibly in 2022. This Ethereum-based project is created by Marcus Magnuson, who was an experienced and known animator. This project will mint around 5,000 mints by the end of January 2022. This seems like a super enjoyable launch, and the vibe looks pretty good to go with. The animation is great and gives Doodles vibes. In all, this looks like a pretty great project. Currently, the Twitter account of Invisible Friends has more than 70,000 followers, and this is increasing on a daily basis. This is a piece of positive news. Also, Marcus Magnuson has already a good fan base on Instagram, as he has been a long-term animator, which is a great perk regarding this future project launch. People are always keen to use the platform made by artists who have made great pieces of work in the past. In the next, we have Interfaces. This is a super enjoyable aesthetic game. This will possibly be a really popular project once after launching in 2022. This is a 3D fun model game, and it should be used in the Metaverse. A lot of people are excited about the release of this project. It has some similar vibes like Doodles. We can speculate a positive outcome from this NFT project launch. This is all about the NFT collection projects, which are working consistently developing and aim at being at peak. From having the best animators projects to projects which intended to increase women holders, the details presented above have it all. You should indulge yourself and buy these NFTs, and should definitely take a look into the projects now. What do you think about all these above presented projects? Do you find these projects interesting? Do answer these in the comment section below. But before leaving, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.